How do I set up split screen mode for PUBG?
Hey there, PUBG players! In this video, I'll show you how to set up split screen mode for PUBG. Split screen mode allows you to play PUBG with a friend on the same screen, creating a more immersive and cooperative gaming experience. So, let's get started.
Checking compatibility and requirements.
Before diving into split screen mode, let's ensure that your gaming setup meets the requirements. 1. Make sure you have a console that supports split screen mode. Currently, PUBG supports split screen mode on Xbox One and PlayStation 4 consoles. 2. Ensure that you have two controllers connected and synced with your console. Split screen mode requires two separate controllers to work properly.
Accessing split screen mode.
Now that you've confirmed compatibility and have your controllers ready, let's access split screen mode in PUBG. 1. Launch PUBG on your console and wait for it to load. 2. Once you're at the main menu, sign in with the primary player's account. This player will have access to their progress, achievements, and unlocked items. 3. After signing in, navigate to the Settings or Options menu within PUBG. The exact location of this menu may vary slightly depending on the platform you're playing on. 4. Look for an option called Split Screen or Local Multiplayer within the Settings menu. Select it to enter split screen mode. 5. If prompted, sign in with the secondary player's account. This player will have limited access to their own progress and may not be able to earn achievements or unlock items while playing in split screen mode.
Configuring split screen settings.
Now that you've accessed split screen mode, let's configure the settings to enhance your gaming experience. 1. In the split screen mode settings menu, you may find options to adjust the screen layout. You can typically choose between vertical or horizontal splits, depending on your preference. Select the desired layout to proceed. 2. Additionally, you might have options to adjust the field of view, FOV, or screen size for each player. This allows you to customize the visibility and display size according to your comfort. Make any necessary adjustments and confirm your choices. 3. Once you've configured the settings to your liking, select the Apply or Confirm button to save the changes.
Enjoying split screen mode.
You're almost ready to jump into the action. Here's how to start playing PUBG in split screen mode. 1. From the split screen mode settings menu, navigate back to the main menu of PUBG. 2. Choose your desired game mode from the available options. Whether you prefer the classic Battle Royale mode or the intense team deathmatch, select the mode that suits your playstyle. 3. Once you've selected the game mode, you'll enter the matchmaking queue. The game will search for a suitable match based on your preferences and skill level. 4. Once a match is found, the game will load, and both players can begin playing simultaneously. Enjoy the thrill of battling it out with your friend on the same screen. Congratulations! You've successfully set up split screen mode for PUBG. Now you can enjoy playing this exciting game with a friend right beside you. Remember to make sure you have compatible hardware and controllers, access split screen mode in the settings menu, configure the desired settings, and then jump into the action. Have a fantastic time exploring the battlegrounds together.